Ooh, don't you want your hair to feel so hydrated? Well, stay tuned and continue watching this video, but don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, my lovely Loc Minions, and keep watching. Hello, my lovely Loc Minions. You can do this on wet or dry hair. Step 1. Apply a small amount of clarifying shampoo to your scalp, gently massaging in a circular motion. This helps to remove any product buildup or impurities. Step 2. Make sure you rinse out the shampoo, ensuring that all the residue is completely removed from your locks. Don't forget to rinse the areas behind your ears and nape of your neck. Step 3. We're using coconut oil and lavender oil to massage through the scalp. I'm not touching the rest of my locks. I'm just focusing on my scalp. Step 4. Now, what's in this bottle is rose water and aloe vera juice. Just spraying it all over my hair. The smell is not the best, but it does exactly what it needs to do for my locks. Don't forget to rub and massage it through your locks. Step 5, I'm using aloe vera gel to seal in the moisture through my locks. Oh yeah, don't forget to rub, massage, and thoroughly rub that thing through. Step 6, I'm using that aloe vera juice and rose water and spraying it all over my locks once again. Then I'm taking coconut oil and lavender and I am rubbing it through my locks this time. Ooh, my locks feel so good. I hope this step-by-step tutorial helped you and gave you some tips, tricks, and tools to keep your locks luscious and hydrated. If you like what you've seen at this channel, Locs for you to love. Check out my channel and see what else you can learn about your locks.